Here we're having a roadside tea under this beautiful banyan tree. Here we are, some little village and everywhere, everybody, young people, old people, women, even little children, all of them are aware of Cauvery Kukkural or Cauvery calling. This is fantastic, how they're all responding. It's unfortunate I'm not able to stop in every village, but every village, hundreds of people are gathering. Though they know I'm not stopping, still on the roadside they're all gathering. I truly appreciate their enthusiasm because it's these people who are the real implementers of Cauvery calling. Fantastic, my utmost regard and blessings to all these common people who are the ultimate custodians of the soil on this land. The tea is made for a sleepy lorry driver, the truck driver. This is designed to not let you sleep for 3 nights. That's how it is made.